this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Dragon Goddess Sword here in Sailor Peace fast. This is an updated method. Before we do get into the guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now this weapon only drops from the Kraken and the Sea Serpent, so the grind is all about the Sea Beast. First, you're going to have C2 unlocked, and then head into the open ocean. Since these bosses do not spawn on islands, you need to be far off in the distance in the ocean. You're also going to need to have at least a $500,000 bounty. After that, just stay about 200 to 600 studs away from land, basically far enough that you can't really see any islands, but out there, you just have to wait. Sea beasts spawn over time when you're on the open sea, so either wait or just keep moving around to trigger spawns. Only one sea beast can exist at a time, so you might need to be pretty patient overall. But for drop rates, the Kraken is under 1%, Sea Serpent is about 2%, so expect a long grind. These bosses are extremely tanky as well, so make sure that your build is strong enough to farm with a team. And there's no direct way to boost the drop rate, so just focus on killing them faster. But that is it. Just stay in the open sea, farm Kraken and Sea Serpent, and keep repeating until the Dragon Goddess Sword drops. That is the full process. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.